Fill out the phrasal verb, fill out. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll explore a very common phrasal verb in the English language, fill out. Let's dive into understanding its meaning, usage, and some example sentences to strengthen our English speaking and writing skills. Fill out is a phrasal verb that typically means to complete a form or document by providing the necessary information. When you fill out a form, you're writing or typing information into the spaces that are provided. Let's look at how we use fill out in sentences. Generally, fill out can be used with a direct object. Here's the basic structure: subject plus fill out plus direct object. Here's an example sentence. Can you fill out this application form? The subject is you, fill out is the phrasal verb, and this application form is the direct object. Now, let's dive into some more examples to fully grasp how fill out is used. You will need to fill out a visa application to enter the country. Remember to fill out your tax returns before the end of the financial year. I filled out a survey about customer satisfaction. While fill out often refers to completing a document, it can also mean to become fuller, rounder, or more developed, especially when talking about physical attributes. For example, he has really filled out since the last time I saw him. And that's it, learners. That's everything you need to know about the phrasal verb, fill out. It's used extensively in English-speaking countries, so knowing how to use it will make your English more natural and fluent. Don't forget to practice using fill out in your daily conversations and writings. As always, keep exploring, and continue to fill out your English learning journey.